Let me ask you a serious question. Have you ever been asked to set up a PMO, but nobody really explained how to do it? No roadmap, no clarity, just expectations. That's exactly why most PMOs fail in their first year. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step practical guide to setting up your first PMO, from zero to operational, without complexity, confusion, or resistance. Stay till the end, because I'll also share how to know if your PMO is actually succeeding, and also will share some of the mandatory templates. On this slide, here's the big picture. This is not theory. This is a complete practical roadmap to build a PMO that actually works. Whether you're starting from scratch or formalizing an existing setup, this approach helps you move from ideas to execution systematically. Think of this as building a PMO the way a startup builds a product. Small steps, clear value, fast learning. Here's what this journey is about. You'll learn how to move from zero structure to a fully operational PMO. How to avoid common mistakes. How to win trust early. And how to scale with confidence. This is not about paperwork. It's about creating impact where it matters: delivery, visibility, and decision-making. Let's be honest. Most PMO initiatives fail in the first year. Not because PMO is a bad idea, but because it starts without clarity, no executive support, unclear scope, resistance from teams, no quick wins. This guide is designed to help you avoid these traps before they slow you down. Before writing even one line of your PMO charter, pause here. Ask the hard questions. Why do we need a PMO now? What problems are we solving? Who truly owns this initiative? Skipping this step is like building a house without checking the land. Clarity here saves months later. On this slide, imagine doing a quick health check. You rate your organization across key readiness factors, from leadership support to process maturity. If your score is high, you're ready to move fast. If it's mid-range, you need preparation. If it's low, focus on foundations first. This step helps you choose the right pace, not rush blindly. Here's the good news. You don't need a year to show value. This roadmap is designed for 90 days. Think of it like a sprint: clear steps, focused execution, and visible outcomes. Each step builds momentum and credibility. This is the most critical step. PMOs with strong executive sponsors are 3 times more likely to succeed. Your sponsor gives authority, budget, and air cover. They remove blockers. They make PMO adoption easier. Without sponsorship, PMO becomes a suggestion. With it, PMO becomes a priority. On this slide, think of the PMO Charter as your contract with the organization. It clearly defines why the PMO exists, what's in scope, what's not, and how success will be measured. Keep it short. 2 pages is enough. A clear charter prevents confusion and expectation mismatch later. Governance doesn't mean bureaucracy. It means clear decision rights. A simple 3-tier governance model works best when starting. Start light. Add structure only when needed. Governance should enable speed, not slow it down. In the first 90 days, you don't need a big team. A small, capable setup works best. Promote experienced internal PMS. They know the culture. Use contractors for niche skills. Hire externally only if needed for leadership roles. Right people matter more than headcount. This step decides your credibility. You must show visible wins in the first 30 days. Pick 2 or 3 quick wins that solve real pain points. Something stakeholders already feel. When people see value early, resistance melts away. Here's a practical truth. Don't start with expensive tools. Use what your company already has. Excel or Google Sheets are enough initially. Focus on integration, not fancy features. Your first-year budget should mostly go into training, not tools. Processes should be simple and usable. Think 1-page process maps, not thick manuals. They must work in real projects, not just on paper. and they should be flexible for different project sizes. If teams can't follow a process easily, they won't follow it at all. Templates save time and reduce errors. Start with the most critical ones first. Status reports, charters, risk logs. Don't reinvent everything. Adapt proven templates from PMY or trusted sources. In the description, I have provided the free templates from PMOChampion.com. Templates are adoption accelerators. Training is not optional. Different audiences need different focus. Executives need value and dashboards. PMs need tools and processes. Teams need clarity on basics. Schedule this around week 6 to 8 once things are visible. Now comes validation. Choose pilot projects carefully. Not too risky, not too simple. They should be visible and supported. Pilots are where PMO learns, adapts, and improves before scaling. Communication drives adoption. Always lead with value. Use visuals over spreadsheets. Celebrate wins publicly. When people see success stories, PMO stops feeling like enforcement and starts feeling like support. If you don't measure, you can't prove value. Track success metrics from day one. Report monthly to leadership. Share progress transparently. Metrics turn PMO from opinion to evidence. Most PMOs fail not because of effort, but because of overreach. Too much process too early. Ignoring change management. Chasing perfection instead of progress. Avoid these, and you're already ahead. Once pilots succeed, scale gradually. Prove value at each phase before expanding. Growth should feel natural, not force it. That's how PMOs sustain long-term success. This slide brings everything together. Month 1 builds foundation. Month 2 builds capability. Month 3 proves value. Follow this rhythm, and PMO momentum becomes unstoppable. Here's the real test. PMs start using templates voluntarily. Executives reference dashboards in meetings. Other departments ask for PMO help. When people say, "This actually makes my job easier," your PMO is winning. Let's close with this. PMO success is not about perfection. It's about progress, trust, and value. Start small, show results, scale smart. If this roadmap helped you see PMO set up clearly, like this video so more professionals can benefit. Subscribe to PMO Champion for step-by-step PMO guides, real-world case studies, and ready-to-use templates. Comment below and tell me, are you planning to build a PMO or already running one? Together, let's build PMOs that actually work.